Are you looking for the best plasma cutters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best plasma cutters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Lotos LTP5000D Plasma Cutter. Lotos has been driving down the price range for entry into the world of plasma cutting. The Lotos LTP5000D continues that tradition with 50 amps of power and a 60% duty cycle at an attractive price point. This cutter has no-touch pilot arc starting, capable of cutting up to 5/8" stainless steel plate. The Lotos LTP5000D only weighs 26 pounds and comes with a 1-year warranty. It features 120 and 240 dual-voltage input and a PAPST cooling system based on German technology. This machine uses an external compressor for its high-pressure cutting air. Some owners feel that the ground clamp and ground cable is made a little too cheaply. Lotos includes a pressure regulator and air filter with the machine already mounted inside. Using a compressed air quick connector for the air compressor, Lotos says the LTP5000D can be set up and ready to run in less than 1 minute. Users give the LTP5000D high marks for its cutting performance but have reported inconsistent quality, with quite a few reports of early failures of this model. Full review here. However, most also praise the Lotos warranty service for quick replacement of their plasma cutters and free shipping for the return process. Up next in the 4th place is the Hypertherm Powermax 45 Plasma Cutter. Hypertherm is unique because cutting technology is all it sells. This is not a welding machine maker that's branching out into plasma cutting. Laser cutting, water jets and plasma cutters are what Hypertherm is all about. This singular focus on high-quality plasma cutters puts Hypertherm at the top of the industry. Our top pick, the Hypertherm Powermax 45, produces 10 to 45 amps, enough cutting capacity to precision cut 5/8" thick steel plate. It's designed for industrial use to cut metals in factory environments. This machine has dual 240/480 volt power input, smart sensor as Hypertherm system for automatic compressed air settings. It has a torch disable switch for changing torch components. Quick change technology provides rapid reconfiguration of the torch style and tip sizes for clean cuts. Owners rave about quality work from the Hypertherm Powermax 45, praising the precise cutting, high inches per minute rating and smooth edges. This has a lot to do with why we chose it as the best plasma cutter. The only downside to this model is the lack of a CPC port to control it with a computer. Fortunately, the port can be retrofitted with a kit from Hypertherm. The Powermax 45 has a 3-year warranty on the power system and a 1-year warranty on the torch. The 3rd product on our list is the Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter is a powerful machine, able to cut up to 7/8" steel in a single pass. This is a dual power plasma cutter, ready to run on either 120 volts or 240 volts. It weighs only 21 pounds, incredibly light for a plasma cutter with this kind of power. On 120 volt power it puts out 30 amps, enough for 3/8" steel. The high-frequency no-touch arc starting offered by many machines will interfere with digital electronics, making them useless for computer-controlled plasma cutter tables. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter gives you computer controllability with a blowback torch. Blowback torches use air pressure buildup on the work surface to start the torch, eliminating digital interference. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter uses a continuous pilot arc. This system lets you cut expanded metal and grating by shutting off the torch over air gaps and refiring the arc once it's over metal again. It's also very effective on rusty, painted or dirty metal. Users love this machine's 20-foot torch lead. Second on our list is the Miller Spectrum 625 Plasma Cutter. The Miller Spectrum 375 Extreme Plasma Cutter offers dual voltage input power, allowing you to plug into either 120 volt or 240 volt circuits. With that kind of versatility, you can use this machine just about anywhere you need to. Miller integrated an automatic air pressure regulation system that evens out fluctuations in the air supply for even, steady cutting. This plasma cutter includes Miller's XT30 ergonomic torch with a contoured shape and textured grip surfaces. With a 12-foot torch connection and compact size, the Miller Spectrum 375 Extreme Plasma Cutter is easy to get into those hard-to-reach spots. Miller has equipped this plasma cutter with quick disconnect leads for fast setup. The Miller Spectrum 375 Extreme Plasma Cutter weighs only 19 pounds and comes with a shoulder strap for easy handling. The 30-amp output is enough to cut 3/8-inch steel, and the 27-amp top end on the 120-volt side cuts 1/4-inch steel. The auto-refire technology switches the arc off when crossing gaps and restarts the torch once it's over metal. Unfortunately, the 375 Extreme isn't capable of being computer-controlled, so no CNC table for this one. Miller includes a protective carrying case with this machine. Finally, the top product on our list is the RAMSON Cut 50DX Air Plasma Cutters. The RAMSON Cut 50DX is one of the lower quality plasma cutters on our list, but it can make a sizable cut. The finish it leaves is not very clean, and it's hard to cut precise lines, but you can burn through 3/4 thick plate nicely and even sever 1-inch plate. If slowly, its cut rate is significantly faster when severing a thinner gauge. It does chew through more consumables than other plasma cutters, and they aren't the lowest priced on the market. Looking at the machine overall, though, it's not a bad plasma cutter, especially for the price you pay. If you need a small, affordable machine that can cut through large sections of steel and aren't too worried about a clean-cut edge, the RAMSON Cut 50DX is a prime choice. However, be aware that RAMSON sends out faulty machines every so often. The company is reliable with replacements, but we recommend not buying this machine if it's so essential that you'd need a replacement right away. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.